All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 2 of foldable number 1. Once again, we are adding polynomials. So the two polynomials we have here are 8z minus 12, and we're adding it to 6z plus 90. So first thing we're going to do again is we're going to go ahead and line this one up first. So we're 8z minus 12, and we're going to go ahead and switch to our blue, and then do this one here. We have our 6z plus 90, and we're going to go ahead and put this all over and then add. Okay, so to this here, simple, now we have negative 12 plus 90. So this ends up being a 78 positive because the 90 is much bigger. If you owe somebody $12 but you have 90, after you pay them you still have $70 left. And then we have our we have 8 z's and 6 z's, and we're adding them together. This gives us 14 z's. Similar if you had like 8 burritos and you have 6 more burritos now, what are you? You eat too much, but you have 14 Z's or 14 burritos. That's a lot of food, but challenge accepted. All right, now let's go ahead and go to this next one. So this one I kind of lined it up accordingly. This one over here, I'm gonna do it leaving the gaps open, just so you guys kind of get an example, because we are gonna have gaps here. We have 9 x cubed. And then we'd have a space for the x squared, for the x, and then our plus 3. We go ahead and go to the blue side. And then we have nothing here. We have an x to the 4th, so we put a 4x squared, and then a plus 7. So notice this it can get a little confusing if you do it this way. I mean, most of the time people do the math this way, and it's all through practice. So if you get used to 3 plus 7, 10, and nothing's here, so we just move on to the next one. Nothing plus 4x squared, it's just going to be 4x squared, positive. And then drop down would be 9x cubed. So if you notice, we still end up getting the same answer if we would have put zeros, but to mark the placers, but we don't really need it because it is so it's play reference. If you want to do it this way, where we kind of mark all the empty spots to make it kind of coordinated and we kind of see what we want to do, or if you want to just do it this way and just know that the gaps mean 0, or I guess you can just go like this if you wanted to, and it just kind of just show you what the zeros are. Player's choice. I'll leave it up to you guys. See which way you guys prefer. Come on, there we go.